Hello everyone, welcome back on my channel. In this Excel video, I will teach you how to combine and separate data. So, we have some data. First we learn how to combine it. For combining, we use concatenate formula. Enter this formula in the cell you want to combine data. Click here and type is equal to concatenate test tab and select first name, type comma, two time double quotation, comma, and select last name and bracket close, and then press enter and bring the mouse here. When the plus sign appear, double click. The formula will be applied to all the data like this. Now we learn how to separate data. Select all the data that you want to separate and click data in toolbar and click text to column and select delimited. Click on next and select how your data are separate. Tab semicolon comma space. If different from these four, select other and enter what you want here. So I want to space and click next and click here and select a cell where you want to separate the data, or write the name of this cell manually, like column F and row 2. I am select here and click finish and click OK. So this was today's video. Like this video and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching.